In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display thousands units in Tableau. This is a neat trick to make your data more readable and visually appealing by converting large numbers into a unit format that's easier to digest. We all know how presentations can get cluttered when dealing with millions of data points, and this method is a perfect solution for that. First, you'll want to open the Tableau desktop app if it's not already running on your computer. Once open, access the specific worksheet where you'd like to display your numbers in thousands. It's important to ensure you're in the right worksheet as any changes you make will only apply to the current active one. Now that you have your worksheet open and ready, the next step is to drag your data field, which in this case would be profit, into the row shelf. This action will populate the worksheet with the relevant data and provide you with the visual axes you need for further customization. Next, take a look at the axis where your data is displayed. You're going to want to right-click directly on this axis. By doing so, you'll bring up a menu with various options. Go ahead and select the Format option from this menu. This choice will open up a new side panel specifically for formatting options. With the formatting pane now open, you'll want to navigate to the default section. Scroll through until you find a category labeled Numbers. This part of the menu lets you take control over how numbers are displayed, which is key to our task today. You'll see a drop-down menu here. Click on it and make sure to select Number Custom. Choosing this option will allow you to tailor the number format to your specific needs, which includes converting them to thousands. Once you've selected the custom number format, look for the Units option. There you'll find an option for thousands K. As you select this, you'll notice your data reshaping in real time, converting those unwieldy large numbers into a much more manageable and viewer-friendly format. Finally, while you're still in the formatting section, you have the option to tidy up the display further. Head over to the decimal places setting and set it to 0. This cuts out any unnecessary decimal points, further simplifying the visual and making sure your data looks as clean and professional as possible. By following these steps, your data should now be displayed in a concise and readable format, utilizing thousands units for clarity. This can significantly enhance the legibility of your data presentations, making them not just more visually appealing, but also allowing your audience to grasp information quickly and effectively. Happy tableauing!